introduce myself. My name is Tasya Manuel Alfa, and I'm class 19 to A13. Today, I'm going to present two topics, software and operating system, and then hardware. These are two very important concepts in the world of computing. So let's get started. Let's begin with software. So what actually is software? Software is a collection of programs, instructions, and data that tell a computer what to do. Unlike hardware, you cannot physically touch software, it exists digitally. Software is divided into two main categories: system software and application software. System software manages the computer basic function, while application software help user complete specific tasks like writing a document, browsing the internet, or editing photos. Now let's talk about the operating system, or for short we call OS. The operating system is the most important type of system software. It acts as a bridge between the user and the computer hardware. Without an operating system, a computer simply cannot function. Some examples of popular operating systems are Windows, widely used on personal computer and laptops. Mac OS, developed by Apple, used on Mac computer. Linux, an open source OS, popular among developers. And then Android and iOS operating system used on smartphone. Each OS has its own interface and feature, but they all serve the same core purpose to manage hardware resources and provide a platform for running applications. So, what does operating system actually do? It has several key functions. First, process management. The OS controls which programs are running and ensures each one gets enough CPU time. Second, memory management. It allocates and frees up RAM so programs can run smoothly. Third, file management. It organizes all the files and folders stored on your device. Fourth, device management. The OS communicates with hard components like printers, keyboard, and monitor through special programs called driver. And finally, security. It protects the system from unauthorized access and manage user permission. Now let's move on to our second topic, hardware. Hardware refers to the physical component of a computer, the parts you can actually see and touch. Every device you use, from your laptop to your smartphone, is made up for hardware components working together. Hardware is generally divided into four categories: is input device, output device, processing device, and storage device. Let me explain each one. Input devices are components that allow you to send data into the computer. Example include the keyboard, mouse, microphone, and camera. Output device display or product result from the computer. Common examples are the monitor, printer, and speaker. Processing device are the brain of the computer. The most important one is the CPU, or we can call central processing unit, which executes all instruction and calculation. The GPU, or we can call graphic processing unit, handle visual data and is crucial for gaming and video editing. Storage device save your data. There are two types. First, primary storage, like RAM, or we can call random access memory, which is fast but temporary. The secondary storage, like hard drives, or we can call HDD, solid state drivers, or we can call SSD, and USB flash drives, which store data permanently even when the computer is off. Let me focus on the CPU. Because it is arguably the most critical hardware component. The CPU processes every instruction given to the computer. Its performance is measured by clock speed, measured in GHz, which tells us how many instructions it can press per second. Number of cores. Modern CPUs have multiple cores, like dual core, quad core, or even octa core, allowing them to handle multiple tasks at the same time. Without a powerful CPU, even the best software would run slowly, so hardware and software must work together to deliver a good computing experience. Okay, to wrap up, let me summarize what we've covered today. Software is the set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. The operating system is the most critical software, managing all hardware, resource, and providing a platform for other applications. Hardware refers to the physical part of a computer, from input and output device to the CPU and storage system. All these components work together to make computing possible. Understanding both software and hardware is essential for anyone working in the field of information technology. I hope this presentation has been informative and useful for all of you.